Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to host a Minecraft server on your PC. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up your favorite browser and just find Minecraft server. Okay, hit on enter and click on the ones from Minecraft. Click on it. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, you can now go ahead and click on download right here. Click on it and then save it on your desktop so you can easily find it or spot it. Wait for the download process to finish, and then once that's done, close the browser. Here we have the server file. Now right click, hit on new folder, my server 2026. Just for example, you can name it whatever you want and move the server jar right here. Okay, so double click on the folder and double click on server. Now if you have this error, don't worry, open up your browser once more and find Java SE Development Kit. Okay, again, Java SE Development Kit. Now you can go ahead and download this one from Java or Oracle. So click on the ones from Oracle, scroll down and find Windows. Okay, right here. You can download the zip or just the installer. I'm going to go ahead and download the installer, save it on my desktop as well. Hit on save. Once that's done, close the browser. Run the JDK or Java Development Kit. Hit on run. You can close this prompt, by the way. There'll be a pop-up, just click on yes. Hit on next, next, and close. And after that, run the server jar. As you can see, it automatically created its own folders. So just wait for it. So as you can see here, we have the EULA file. Double click on it. And instead of false, change this one to true. Okay. Control S to save and close this one. Double click on server.jar again. And just wait for it to load. And here we have it. There'll be a pop-up once more. Just click on allow. And you can now go ahead and enter commands right here. Okay. Or ops commands. You can just type down OP and your username. Okay. As you can see. Now, you can now go ahead and open up a game. Launch any version of your Java edition. Hit on play. Now, once the game is open, just go ahead over to multiplayer and add in a server. Give it a name, for example, my local host. Okay. And then the server address would be localhost. Make sure that you type it down this way. Okay. Once that's done, just hit on done. As you can see here, we now have the my local host, a Minecraft server. You can go ahead and hit on play and test it out. And then once done, if you want your friends to join your game, well, all you got to do is port forward. Okay. You can go ahead and check videos online on how to port forward and invite your friends. And after that, just enjoy. That's basically it. That is how you host a Minecraft server on your PC. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.